Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Discord banner color. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord is one of the best services for chatting with your friends and meeting like-minded people. It allows you to express yourself through profiles customization like applying an avatar and biography, and you can also change your background, your banner color on your Discord profile. How to do it is very simple. First of all, of course, how to open our Discord. You can open it on your mobile apps or on the desktop. And you can go to user settings. You can select on user settings, and from here you can just scroll down. You can go to appearance. Here's your appearance where you can change your default themes or others. And if you want to change your colors, you can go to profiles to change your banner colors. From profile, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option banner colors. And here you can choose the color that you want to set as your uh, banner color. Be like this. So it turns out like this. You can check it. After you finish, you can just don't forget to uh, select on save change. And you can also change your avatar in here, your decoration, nameplate, change effects. If you want to get more appearance from this, from Discord, you can upgrade, you can boost your Discord to premium. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change banner color on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!